Will the skies of tomorrow be dominated by unseen, unheard, and unimaginable forces? Could the reign of the fifth-generation fighter jets be nearing its twilight, making way for a new dawn of sixth-generation air superiority? The answers to these questions lie in the evolution of technology and the relentless pursuit of aeronautical innovation. The fifth-generation fighter jets, like the F-22 Raptor, have been the crown jewels of air forces worldwide. Known for their stealth design, integrated computer systems, multi-role capabilities, and super-cruising abilities, these jets are formidable opponents in any aerial combat scenario. There are only 4 operational fifth-generation fighters worldwide, a testament to their complex and expensive nature. However, the criteria for a sixth-generation fighter are still evolving, with expectations of technological integration and operational capabilities surpassing those of the fifth-generation aircraft. The future of air superiority could include modular design, advanced avionics, and enhanced stealth capabilities. Imagine a fighter jet that changes its structure based on mission requirements, has electronic systems that outsmart even the most advanced countermeasures, and remains virtually invisible to any radar. The US Air Force, anticipating the rise of sixth-generation fighters, is already seeking new aerial targets to simulate threats posed by advanced stealth fighters from adversaries. This proactive approach indicates the shifting landscape of aerial warfare, where the capabilities of fifth-generation aircraft might no longer be enough to ensure air superiority. A sixth-generation fighter jet might also be capable of supersonic speeds, high-altitude operations, high-G maneuvers, and carry countermeasures like jamming pods and decoys. This means that the combat environment could become exponentially more complex, requiring refined strategies and tactics. To summarize, the future of air superiority lies in the hands of sixth-generation fighter jets. With their advanced capabilities, these jets could redefine the concept of air warfare. They could make the skies an arena of unseen forces, unheard strategies, and unimaginable technologies. The dawn of the sixth-generation fighter jets could change the rules of the game, making air superiority a matter of technological sophistication and strategic brilliance. This new era of aerial dominance awaits us, ready to unfold its wings and soar into the skies of tomorrow.